With Oracle CRM On Demand Desktop, you can use Microsoft Outlook as your primary CRM interface. This video shows how a sales rep at a typical company benefits from this new product. Let's ask this rep, who recently began using CRM On Demand Desktop, about their experience.
I work for a cool company. They actually care about my time and want to help me sell more efficiently. Most of my time is either spent with customers or in Outlook preparing for my next customer meeting. So my company recently enhanced my Outlook app to make it even more valuable with Oracle CRM On Demand Desktop. Let me show you how this makes me more productive. Here I am in Outlook. It looks similar to the way it always has, except we have new buttons here to create a new contact, account, opportunity, lead, and other objects. I've heard other systems sync contacts, tasks, and appointments between Outlook and their CRM system, which is okay, but this new CRM On Demand Desktop allows me to access a lot more of my sales info directly in Outlook. This page shows a set of opportunities I'm currently working on. As I work on my deals, I often need to communicate with my customers. If I need to communicate with my contacts for the Bobcat opportunity, I simply click the opportunity and click Email the Contacts. And Outlook creates an email already pre-filled with each of the contacts' email addresses. Now I just need to add the specifics to this email. This is much easier than starting a new email from scratch, remembering who each of the Bobcat contacts are, and having to look up each of my contacts' email addresses. See the bar up here that says Shared with CRM On Demand? All of my customer communication is transparently shared with Oracle CRM On Demand and attached to the appropriate account, opportunity, lead, contacts, and users without me needing to do anything. So my manager doesn't need to call me to ask for an update. That saves both of us time. Let's go ahead and send this email and open the associated opportunity. This page has been configured to give me all the key information I need about the opportunity and all of its related information without showing the generic fields other companies may need but I don't. After I have a good meeting with Mark, Brian, and Lisa from Bobcat Solutions, it's easy to update the opportunity. First I'll forecast it, then I'll bump the probability from 40 to 60%. And finally, I'll add a new key contact, Andal, the VP of Sales. Notice that as I search for the VP, I use native Outlook UI controls, including type ahead, that allows me to quickly and easily find the right information without learning a new UI. CRM On Demand Desktop combines the best of both worlds, my rich CRM On Demand information with the intuitive Outlook user interface that I'm used to. Now I'll go ahead and save this opportunity. If it was near the end of the quarter and I needed to sync this information back to CRM On Demand immediately, I could manually sync right now by clicking this button. But I usually just wait for the automated process to synchronize it, which my company has configured to run once per day. But we could run it once per hour, per week, or another time period. Another great feature of CRM On Demand Desktop is I can work whether I'm connected to the network or when I'm offline. So no matter where my travels bring me, I can always finish my work, which means when I get home, I can spend my time the way I want to, rather than updating the system. I've heard that Oracle CRM On Demand is incredibly easy to use, but I wouldn't know since I only use Outlook with a CRM On Demand Desktop plugin, and it does everything I need. It is great to exceed my quota and still have time left over for what is really important.
You've just seen a brief overview of how Oracle CRM On Demand Desktop increases productivity. You've seen how you can work with all of your core information within Outlook. The UI can be completely tailored to your specific needs while it retains the look and feel of Outlook, so you're not forced to learn a new UI. And you can access this information anytime, anywhere, whether you're online or offline, which provides you with the best information and allows you to make updates when the information changes, rather than when you're back in the office. To find out more, please visit oracle.com/CRM On Demand.